finished our objective. A little bit colder than expected. And a couple of equipment hiccups, unfortunately. But, hey, we're here. There you are. So, the car's been warming up in anticipation of our departure. And, suffice it to say, it's fully defrosted and ready to roll. That's nice. Nothing better than having a nice, toasty, warm truck to welcome you in your back. Now for the last of the updates, which is enhanced regenerative brake assist. We are currently going down Little Conway Canyon, which is a pretty steep road, and at 16 degrees, our regenerative brakes are working just fine. Now that you're here. Is that the red?